So I just wanted to provide an overview of the different types of compost bins for backyard composting. This particular bin is what we would call the standard compost bin. It sits directly on the ground. It is open to the ground. There's no bottom to it. You actually would secure it into place with stakes that come with the bin. In addition to that, you get a cover that locks into place. You line up arrows and then lock the arrows, the top of the bin. It has a door in the front which slides open, and this is where you would harvest your material when it's ready to be harvested. The bin also has vents for air to be able to circulate through. Also, when you turn your material, stir it up, that also promotes space and oxygen flowing throughout the bin. If you're concerned about rodents, one tip for the standard compost bin is when you expose the soil in the area that you're going to place it, you may want to consider putting down chicken wire. This is a great thing to add to the bin. You can lay it in the area. Sometimes people will double layer, curl it around the base of the bin. And then one other thing that I've noticed is that some people will actually put rocks, loose rocks or brick around the base of the bin. And a really neat trick is if you have pets, pet fur placed around the base of the bin would also help deter any rodents as the smell of the pet is present. This particular bin is what we refer to as the tumbler, and as you can see, it is really easy for turning the material, easier for turning. The standard bin, we do need to do a little bit more manual work in turning the material with a shovel or a pitchfork. But this bin is great for turning. It's off the ground. The cover is very simple to use. It just slides across the two sections. So here's one section and the other. And as you can see, this is my active section. There's a plus sign because I'm adding to that side. Your wet and brown material, your greens. This side has been curing and further decomposing and ready to be harvested. So the check mark is on that side because it's done. Just be mindful what side you're adding to. You may need to take your cover off, move it around, and just switch it depending on which side you want to add the material to.